What happens if one of an airplane's engines stops working? Many people immediately think the plane will fall out of the sky. But the truth is very different. Let's take a closer look. Airplane engines are extremely powerful and built with the highest safety standards. Still, engine failures can rarely happen. So, does the plane crash right away? The answer is no. Modern passenger planes usually have two engines, and they can continue flying safely even with just one. For example, an Airbus A320 or a Boeing 737 can fly hundreds or even thousands of kilometers with only one working engine. Thanks to their aerodynamic design, planes can stay in the air. Of course, the speed is reduced, and they fly at a lower altitude, but safety is not compromised. Pilots receive special training for these situations. They practice engine failure scenarios many times in simulators. So when one engine stops, pilots immediately follow the procedures and guide the aircraft to the nearest safe airport. In 2009, a US Airways flight in New York lost both engines after hitting a flock of birds. Yet, the pilots managed to land safely on the Hudson River. This shows how resilient airplanes are, and even in extreme situations. So, when an engine stops, the plane doesn't just fall. Modern aircraft are designed for this, and pilots know exactly what to do. What do you think about this? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more aviation videos. See you in the next one.